abs in C takes the absolute value of a number. The abs function is included in the stdlib.h header file. To take the absolute value of a number means to find its distance from 0. Let's write up some code. Double num equals negative 5.0. The first note, the abs function in the stdlib.h header file only works with non-fractional types, like integers. Let's go back to the drawing board. In I equals negative 5. In answer equals absolute value of I. If you were to print out answer, it would end up being 5. The fabs function in C takes the absolute value of a number. Fabs is in the math.h header file, so we will hash include math.h. We will also want to print out our answer, so let's hash include stdio.h. Fabs returns double, so for our answer we'll do double ants equals fabs of negative 3.14. Let's print that answer out. So printf double quotes %f for a double, then we printf ants. If we run this code, we get the answer as 3.14. That shouldn't surprise you because that is indeed how absolute value works. The next example might be a little surprising. Let's change our ants to be fabs of negative 3. If we print that answer out, nothing else has to change with the code. If we run this code, we get the answers 3.00. Since fabs returns doubles, it will even return the absolute value of an int as a double. This has been Jacobication. Like and subscribe to learn more.